The Admin tab is the main tab for managing tracked windows, managing users and teams, and managing general system settings. Window Tracking Management. In this screen you can set the windows for tracking and assign them to tasks without the need for manual time tracking. This screen is divided into 4 subscreens. Connected Titles displays the list of windows associated with the different tasks. You can search for a task in the table by using the search box. You can detach a window from a task. You can also change a task's connection to a window by checking the window title in the table and changing the task in the filter controls and clicking the Update button. Disconnected Titles displays the list of windows that have been previously opened but are not associated with tasks. Ignored Titles displays a list of windows from which the system is ignoring. To set windows to ignore, you can watch the tutorial video, Tracking. Ignored Apps displays a list of programs from which the system is ignoring. To set apps to ignore, you can watch the tutorial video, Auto Tracking System. Users screen. On this screen you can add, edit and delete users from the system. To add a user, click on the New User button and fill in the following items in the form at the bottom of the screen. Name email, must contain valid email, required value and cannot be duplicated. Password, first and last name, phones and address. Role, determining the role will affect the permissions for that user in various projects. Associate or disassociate a user with a team. User image, used to display on different screens. To add the user to the system, click the Add button. To search for users you can type in partial email search, or first or last name. To edit a user, click on the user's row in the table, edit the details in the form and press Update. To delete a user, select the user in the table and click Delete. Teams screen. On this screen you can add, edit, or delete teams from your system. To add a team, click the New Team button. A unique name must be given to the team. This field is mandatory. You can add a description to the team. Clicking the Add button will add the team to the system. To select a team to edit, use the control at the top of the screen. To delete a team, select a team and press the Delete button. System Settings screen. On this screen you can change the various system settings. You can change the display language between a selection of languages. You can set if the system is tracking work or not. You can set whether the system captures screenshots while tracking. A screenshot is taken only if the tracking option is enabled. A photo is taken each time you switch to a new window or in 5 minute intervals if working on a single window. Show Task Connection Notification. Only active if the tracking system is enabled. Displays the task window connection pop-up on the lower right side of the screen each time the system detects a new window. You can set auto login to main window. Administrators who use the software will probably want to use this option, but users in the working stations where the system is installed and automatically monitors user work will need the main screen less, except for the taskboard screen. Display help pop-ups. Pop-ups will be displayed on different screens and on specific items to guide project management in the selected project methodology. Determining the system's rate of samples. The shorter the sampling rate, the more information will be collected for windows opened from a second upwards. The amount of samples affects the needed storage size and is set by default to 5-second intervals.